Welcome to Just the Good Bits. Today we're doing chicken wings. We got fresh chicken wings. They were a lot cheaper by the pound than the frozen chicken wings. The frozen chicken wings were $9.93 for 3 pounds. I got these and for 4.49 pounds. Let's say 4.5 pounds. I paid $10.13. So I got to cut them myself, and we're going to have these left over. But we're going to save these for stock. We make our own chicken stocks. There's not really going to be anything left over wasted. Let me show you how we cut these to get them done in case you want to do it yourself. If you take the knuckle and bend it all the way, you can feel the joint right here. You want to put your knife there and split that, then you can split it the other way.
Easy go.
So you just do it gently so you can see where you're at, and I'll give you an idea where it cuts. It cuts that easy. Do the same way on the other joint. Find where it is, get it centered. You go through, get your knife centered back on the joint, and it goes right through. And you can see I've done a few of these, and these are your typical wings you normally buy. Can you see this? Is it on there?
Yeah, I see it.
And that's your end result you get to make your chicken wings. And we're going to make wings with Sriracha sauce. And we'll show you how that goes. I'm going to finish cutting these up and we'll be back. From our 4.5 pounds, we got 26 meaty wings. Not bad for 10 bucks. Now we got them on a paper towel. We dried them on the top, and we're going to deep fry them for 8 minutes. Batches of 8, 9, maybe 10 maximum at a time. Depends on the size of your fryer. You might need to make smaller batch yourself. You don't want to drop the temperature of the oil. The oil should be 350 to 400 depending on your temperature. Sample and see what happens. Now we're going to get ready and we're going to fry. We'll be back. Got my fry lighter set at 375. I've got 9 wings in there. We're going to drop them and turn the timer on for 8 minutes. That's all there is to it. We'll come back in 8 minutes and show you how they came out. We're doing these in batches, and after 8 minutes, this is what it comes out looking like. On a rack, put them back in the oven so they stay hot, and do the last batch, and then we can toss them in Sriracha and butter. Sriracha is the base for this. Instead of using Tabasco, whatever, use your own hot sauce, whatever you think. But the Sriracha is kind of thick. It'll add a little bit of the clinginess to it. It'll be like a hot barbecue. We're gonna put half a cup in the melted butter. And then we're going to toss the wings in it. And that's all there is to it. When we get all the wings finished, we'll toss them and do a taste test and show you what we got. On the sauce, we're going to add some salt. That's a ½ teaspoon. And we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder here. Mix that in, and then we're going to toss our wings. Now, Got all our wings in here, toss them. So we spread these liberally. Or coat them liberally, all evenly if possible. Tell me this doesn't look like Super Bowl food. Want to make sure we get them all coated. Now, I wish you could smell this. This is got a fantastic smell. I'm going to use a spoon to make sure I get the rest of it on here. Now, we're going to do a taste test for y'all. See what I mean about the body? The sauce really sticks to it. The Sriracha is thicker than the other. Now, let's take a big bite here. See what we think. That's fingerling good. Eat your heart out, Colonel.